Hi, my name is Pamela Deneuve, and today I want to share with you my dream. I often talk about aspiring for your goals and reaching for your goals, but I've never really talked about my dreams, and I'm going to open the door to my life and share with you about that. My name is Pamela Deneuve, and I've been spending over 25 years coaching and helping high professionals, lawyers, doctors, actors, athletes to achieve their highest goals and aspirations and to live the life of happiness, success, and fulfillment that they deserve. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my goals and my visions because many of you may know from if you follow me that I just returned from Portugal after spending 3 weeks there. But I want to go back in time because when I was a little girl, I grew up, in a pretty poor neighborhood and no one ever traveled or went out of the country. It was like preposterous. And I would read a lot of books, and I just had this aspiration that I somehow wanted to live an international lifestyle. I wanted to be around people of different cultures and different ethnicities and to learn about them and to learn about the world. And so anyone in my family would just say, like, are you crazy? You're going to get married, you're going to have kids, this is your lot in life. And so I got married, I went to school, I had children, I got divorced, I raised my children by myself. So that meant I never thought about having an international lifestyle. And I lived in California. I'd moved from Chicago to California, and all of my friends were like traveling and doing things, but I was a single parent, and that was something that I couldn't consider. So fast forward, I just realized that I really wanted to travel to Portugal. Well, first it was Spain, and then it was Portugal. And I just had my heart set on it. And I had my heart set on the Algarve because it seemed like it was such an international melting pot of people of all cultures. Well, I have to tell you, I just returned. I stayed there for 3 weeks. I met so many friends and I did so many activities. I ran a 10K. I went on a couple of boat excursions, went on a cruise. I ate all different kinds of foods. I met all kinds of people. Like if you go somewhere, it's not unusual for it to be like 5 or 6 different countries, people from 5 or 6 different countries, all sharing together and enjoying each other. So I'm back here at my home in Florida, and I do know that this is what I'm going to do, that I am going to eventually live part-time in Portugal. And if you'd ask me, well, Pamela, how are you going to do it? What are your steps? All I can tell you is that it is already done. It's already done. It's already done. And I'm really excited about it. And it's not like I'm doing it today or tomorrow, but I'm systematically taking step by step so that I can realize my dream. And so I want you to do the same. What is your dream? Tell yourself the truth. Take it out, dust it out, and see what it is you want to do. Take one step a week, one little step a week towards your dream, and you'll be so surprised how it gains momentum. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.